Make a great choice today with the 2022 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.